Thank you for being here. Welcome to our channel Runway with Code. So it's our first YouTube channel, so kindly please like this video and share to your friends. So let's move to today's topic. So in the previous lecture, I told you about the introduction and features of object-oriented programming language. So in this lecture, we're gonna implement this language and in this paradigm by using C++ as a programming language. Okay. So for implementation of any programming language, and if we need to run the program and we have to implement the codes in a particular language, we need an IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. So here we use CODEBLOCK as an IDE. This is the very famous IDE for the C++ and C. So here we use this. Okay. So I mentioned the link for the download of this CODEBLOCK in the description, so you can download from here. And if not, I just show you. So enter the codeblock.org and okay. So just wait. Okay, so if here will not come, we just type CODEBLOCK and you have to go for so see here you just enter CODEBLOCK and go to download option. Okay, and here you just go for binary release, and here for here the download for every like Windows, Linux and Mac, you can download according to your options. Okay, here they are visible. Okay, so you can download from here. So let's just go to our CODEBLOCK. Okay, so here many kind of toolbars are there. Just go through it. Like we have file option. Here menu new file is there. So when you have to create any program, just go to new and just type empty file. Okay, just go for empty file for the now. And if you want to open, just Control O, and there are many other things. Okay, so in the view option here, logs start page, if you uncheck this box, see here the logs for that appear the message of bold successful are not visible down. Okay, so we will not uncheck this, we always check this. Okay, and the setting option, like here setting like option are there, see bold, and this is the run option we're gonna use. So let's create a new file. So this is a CPP file. Okay, so for creating a CPP file, we just include an header file like include iostream. So see here, this is an IDE, so it will give us the suggestions that are there, but for now it will not suggest anything to us. So let's save this program first, then it will suggest to us. Okay, so I write up like pgm.cpp. So for the C++ files, the extension is like .cpp. So always remember this. Okay, we have to save with the extension .cpp, and just save it. And see, the color of the snippets will also change, but it will not suggest here. You have to press Control and backslash, but right now it will not suggest anything. Sorry, backslash me, Control spacebar. Okay, but right now it will not suggest anything because see, it will suggest. See here, I just did. Yes, see, the parser is still parsing the file. So the parser is busy in parsing the file. That's why it will not suggest to us. After the parsing files, it will suggest to us. Okay, so for now simply write using namespace stt and colon. Okay, now int main, we create a function that is int main, and here we write return 0. So this is the basic structure of a C++ file. We must have to include this IO stream, and this we have. So further, we define the comment. Comment is like the things we not want to run, but we have to mention here, like for the convenience of any other programmer to know about your code. Okay, so here we use IO stream for the cout and cin operators and any other features it also include, but for basic it will use cout and cin. And what is the cout? So for cin we will discuss about later, but about cout we just discussed about in this video because we're gonna use it. Cout is a C++ operator. So firstly I maximize the screen so you can see. Okay, so cout is a C++ operator. So this is used for the visibility. So this is used to operate on the output screen. Anything that is written under this cout is visible on the output screen. So we just gonna discuss about here. So see, here we use cout and these operators followed by these operators. So here we just type hello world. Okay, hello world, and firstly we have to build this program. So just click on this button. So see, until it appears to be 0 warning and 0 error, you cannot go for run the program. Okay, so here you can see your errors, so you can see your warnings too. Okay, see here 0 error and 0 warning, and now just click on this run button. See hello world. So what you think about that, this cout and cin are not visible here because these are the comments that are followed by backslashes. Okay. So if we change our program like hello John. Okay, so for the building the program you can just type Control F9. Okay, see here 0 warning and 0 error. So for run the program you can just type Control F10. See hello John. Okay, so this is the cout operator in this C++. So for today's it is enough, and in the next videos we're going to discuss about routes, switch cases and other basic things of C++, and after that we're going to discuss about the basic features of OODs in this C++. Okay, so for today thank you so much for the day, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.